Hey peoples, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to tell you one app for UPSC. It's such a useful app for UPSC students, aspirants, because I go through this app. I really love this app because I'm telling you guys to use this app for your preparation. In this app you always take collect current affairs of 1 week current affairs July 26, see 1 week of current affairs, and also today current affairs. Upon above you can see today current affairs. Study finds microplastic pollution in the Ganga, like this. And also the news from Polity, the which are polite news came today from Polity, and which are news came from environment, which are news came from economy, and like such on, like this. You can collect huge news current affairs from this. And also history. This is what I called is flashcards, because the arrival of European in India, we have in a books in outside books we are given the lot of books, we cannot study in that. Oh my god, such a long notes, how can I go through? But in this notes we have a very short notes. And also this is a MCQ. We for primes, every day attend MCQ after studying your flashcards more than 50-40. You can answer like this. The Modi script was employed in the document of the, you can guess, I think Madras. Very actually I go through the first chapter because I know something. Okay, every day means every day going through one chapter 150 flashcards. You can go to MCQ. They will give you MCQ more than 10 MCQ. You can answer each and MCQ by this way. And you can take hint also. In hint you will get full information how what is the answer and how it comes, which list, like this. In this I just skipping the video to flashcards to show you all. I just corrected a wrong answer B, but answer is C. Yeah, like this I'm going through a lot of this because for you guys to understand. This is so useful for UPSC aspirants because it's such a nice app I ever seen. That and also topic in history, the arrival of European India I studied, and next I'm going through this. This is what I call flashcards. In textbooks we have gone a lot of burden. We can't give study hard, lot of work, but in this we have clear picture with a clear main topics, important points for this. And also MCQ, I love this flashcards. Just go through these flashcards before you are UPSC aspirant, before your frames exams, and you will definitely pass. I'm sure you absolutely. This picture really I loved. This picture was so awesome because Mughal Emperor was like this. Oh, cool. So in picture, in upside you can see the pictures. In seeing the pictures you just remember the topics what you studied. This is more important in UPSC. Pictures are more important. If you seen picture you will go through the topics behind in that. Like this name of Hyderabad, these flashcards are such an amazing. Go through my description and download the app. And thanks for watching, and do subscribe. Thank you.